Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. This is first video on trigonometry object. Till now we completed NCERT trigonometry and I done one full dedicated video for complete trigonometry formulas. This video is very useful. You please check it once because trigonometry is all about trigonometry formulas only. Without trigonometry formulas, this chapter is lifeless. Once you learn all trigonometry formulas, it tells you that you are ready to start doing objective problems. NCERT is over and you are thorough in all trigonometry formulas. You are ready to do objective questions, and you can find this notes and all these videos at very nominal price. That course link is given in the description. Before going to start this video, please drop a like for this video, share it with your friends. This is first video on trigonometry object. In trigonometry around 10 shortcuts are there. So first we will learn all those shortcuts and later we do all the problem. You see here 4 equations are there. Actually, if we use them as a shortcut, then we can do many problems in a faster way. Actually, whatever I written here, these are all nothing but trigonometry identities only. You see this first one, sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. You can remember it as a formula, or else every time you need to derive sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4. However, in case if you forgot this, you must know the derivation. So first I'll derive all these 4 results and then we do problems related to it. This first derivation, sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. See, to derive these results, I use trigonometric identity, very popular trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? So, as I need sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, how I will get sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta? I'll square this on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. When you square on both sides, you look here, left hand side is looks like a plus b whole square. Use a plus b whole square formula. A square, that is sine power 4 theta, b square, that is cos power 4 theta, plus 2ab, 2 into sine square theta into cos square theta equal to 1. Now you take this 2 sine square theta cos square theta to the right hand side part. Then what you will get, sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta. That's it. We proved the first result. Sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. I recommend you to remember it as a one trigonometric identity so that problems can be solved bit faster way. Okay. Now you see this second one, sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. We will derive this. To derive this also, I use the trigonometric identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. I considered the trigonometric identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. I need sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. To get sine power 6 theta cos power 6 theta, what I'll do, I'll cube on both sides. You just cube on both sides. This side it looks like a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula is what? A cube, that is sine power 6 theta. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You just apply this formula to this a plus b whole cube. A cube, that is sine power 6 theta, b cube, that is cos power 6 theta, plus 3ab, that is a is sine square theta, b, see here this is a plus b whole cube, 3ab, a is sine square theta, b is cos square theta equal to into a plus b. A plus b is nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta. A plus b is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now, if you observe this, this is 1, right? You put 1 here, then what this will become? 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Now, you take this to the right hand side part. Then you will get sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. So I derived that second result. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. You observe next two identities. You observe right hand side part. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta is there. This side it is a sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta or cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta. Okay. So I'll derive this third one. What is third one? Third one is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to. What I'll do here? Sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta is there. Na? That cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta into cos square theta. That equal to sin square theta plus this cos square theta is there. Na? We know from trigonometry formulas, we learn that cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now, this equal to sin square theta. Now, multiply what you will get 1 into cos square theta, that is cos square theta minus cos square theta into sin square theta. If you observe this is like a trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta into sin square theta. This can be written as sin square theta into cos square theta. So this is very easy. So sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now see the fourth result, sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta. Sin power 4 theta, I'll write it as sin square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, I'll write it as it is. Okay, sin square theta into this sin square theta is there, na? That we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now multiply sin square theta into 1, that is sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta. Now you observe the sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Yes, 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So hence we proved this fourth result also. Sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So basic this shortcut idea is, instead of deriving these results, better remember it as a formulas. These are not so difficult, just little bit of practice. See, these two gives the same result. You can observe here, these two are gives the same result. And whenever sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is there, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Whenever sin power 6 theta cos power 6 theta is there, 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square. Now let's see how they are asking problems related to this. You see this question, the value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This value you need to calculate. First, you take the given question. You observe here, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is there. No? For this, any formula is there? Yes, formula is there. What is that? 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. In place of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, you can write this, right? Plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. As you know that formula, if you write this directly, this problem, see how simple it is. These two will get cancelled. What you will get? Its answer is 1. So this is very easy. You can do this problem in seconds if you know this. Otherwise, you need to take trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and you need to calculate sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta, all those things. Now you see this question, they are asking what is the value of. If you observe this part, we have a formula for this. What is this? 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. You observe this, sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. For this also we have a formula. We can write it as 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So what I do here, 2 plus the sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is nothing but 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by, in the denominator, whatever you got, that can be written as 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. You observe this part, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here also 3 is there. So you can take 3 common. If you take 3 common in the numerator, then what you will get? 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now you can see both will get cancelled. You will get 3. So for this problem, answer is 3. I hope you are understanding. Now you see this problem. This problem is very famous in this model. 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1 equal. Actually, as all answers are having a number, in place of theta, you can write any angle 0 degrees or 90 degrees or something like that. And in that way also you will get this answer very easily. But I just want you to do the regular method. See, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is there. Directly you can write it as 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, minus 3 into, look here, sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is there. That can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, plus 1. Okay, now you simplify this further. 2 minus 6 times of sin square theta into cos square theta, multiply here minus 3 plus 6 times of sin square theta into cos square theta plus 1 minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta will get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So its answer is 0. In the option 0 is there? Yes. So option A is the right option. See, this problem is similar to earlier problem. Here they given T6 na. T6 means cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6. T4 is what? T4 indicates cos power 4 theta plus sin power 4 theta. This problem and last problem is very similar. I want you to try it once. So its answer is 0. You see this question. What is the value of this? Sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta divided by cos square theta plus sin power 4. You know these formulas, right? Sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by, see here, what is this shortcut? Cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta. That is also 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So these two will get cancelled. You will get answer 1. And not only, see, I did very few problems. Not only in this, while finding domain range related problems also, this type of shortcuts are very helpful. I hope you like this video. You please comment whatever your opinion on this shortcut. If you like this video, share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.